Hello, this is teacher Kim Hoben이, and today we'll be learning about 한테, which means to in English. Okay, so if you want to add I gave this to someone or someone did this to me, then you use 한테. Okay, in conversational Korean we use 한테 a lot, but in a lot of written languages 에게 is also often used as well. So let's get to exercise right away. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. So 한테 and 에게, to indicates direction towards persons and animals, but in conversation 한테 is frequently used. 에게 is rarely used for animals. So 에게 is used for humans mainly. Okay, so let's get to exercise. First one is I gave a letter to my friend. 친구한테 편지를 보냈어요. The Korean sentence structure is SOV, subject, object, verb, and the English is SVO, subject, verb, object. So know that they haven't flipped. Friend, to, mail, gave. Okay. And next one is I gave milk to the cat. It will be 고양이한테 우유를 줬어요. So 고양이, cat is the subject, 우유, milk is the object, and 줬어요 is verb, gave. And the next one is 형한테 돈을 빌려줬어요, which means I lent money to my brother, which is something you have to be careful of, to lending money to anybody, even in your family. It can make it very awkward. So know that 한테 is used as a to in Korean. When we use it, you usually put something or someone that you gave something to or you did something to in the front. So you can say 내 친구한테, which is my friend. 친구한테 돈을 줬어요, which means I gave money to my friend. Okay, so know that always in the beginning you put somebody who's receiving the action in the beginning, and then to, and then the object and verb. Well, this is teacher Kim, and see you next time. Bye bye.